Well, if it's gold rush in Kerala and Bengal, it's the start of the new year as Kolkata celebrates the beginning of the Bengali New Year. For more on that, let's go across to our correspondent, Prema Rajaram. Prema, firstly, a happy New Year to you. What are the celebrations like in Kolkata this morning?
First of all, a very happy New Year to all the Bengalis there. And here, in some time, there's going to be a play behind me, which where East meets West Bengal. So that's going to be very interesting and something that many people are going to look forward to. Though at this point in time, many people have gone to the temples in the morning, which is why many people have not yet come here for the gathering. But I have with me two girls here who are going to be performing at the play. One is from Bangladesh, and let me ask her how she's going to be celebrating Navabarsha today. आप बताइए, आप कैसे दिन बताने वाले हैं?
First time we want to say Shubha Navabarsha, everybody, and
और आप आज क्या करने वाले हो? आप परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं आज? और आप बताइए, आप दिन कैसे बताने वाले हैं?
आज हमारा प्रोग्राम है, यहाँ पे हम परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। हमारा गाना होगा। सुबह हम मेरे पापा मम्मी से बात हुआ, नववर्ष बुलाया, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
Well, these girls here are quite nervous and a little excited also that they're coming here all the way from Bangladesh, and they're excited to see how Bengal is going to be celebrating Navabarsha today. Back to studio.
All right, Prema, all decked up for the occasion today. Let's also go across to Nandini Sarkar. She's with us from the capital. Nandini, give us a glimpse of all the festivities taking place today.
Well, Priyanka, very enthusiastic group here at CR Park's Shiv Mandir. They have just come back from Prabhat Feri, which means that people go out in groups and, hark the neighborhood to really come and welcome the advent of the new year. We are joined now by Shohini and Kaushik, who would really tell us more about the mood here at CR Park. So, Shohini, tell us, how do you really celebrate this day every year?
Every year we have a gathering here in the mandir wherein we do a Shurjo Pranam, which is we devote our prayers to the new coming Shurjo, and we all devote that. And today we have, we are all here today to celebrate this occasion, and we have organized this Prabhat Feri, which is basically a very old Bengali tradition or a ritual, you can say. And we are trying to revive the entire thing here by the young members of CR Park and throughout Delhi. Everybody comes from different parts of Delhi who are basically from Bengal. So they are all here today to celebrate.
And Kaushik, you tell us, what are the Probashis doing really? Anything significant, anything specific?
Okay, wishing everybody Shubha Navabarsha, firstly. And the second thing is, half of the people you see here is from online community. So we are trying to mobilize people from online community towards offline community. And that is a bigger achievement, I think, in terms of people getting now together and actually celebrating a festival which is no longer bound in online community as in Orkut and others.
Okay, well, that's interesting. A revolutionary step by the Bengalis, Probashi Bengalis here at CR Park. But I would like to leave my viewers with a song from our little ones over here. The song?